it's Jules. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video today. I'm wearing my Luke shirt because Gilmore Girls, such a good show. But it is the Christmas time, and today I went to the gym. I can insert the clip. Just because there was a lot of people in the gym, so I just filmed some parts of it when people weren't really looking, because obviously I don't want them to see me like filming my workout, because that's super weird. So now, Christmas time, got my little Snoopy mug. I'm gonna make some coffee. Not coffee, some hot chocolate. So I'm using these two little things. I think I'm gonna take a little photo in case I don't do something else in this vlog. I'm gonna take a little thumbnail because I always forget that, and then I have to make one and it's just like really bad. So we're gonna take one real quick and then I'll get back to you with hot chocolate. I'm just gonna look up. I'm not gonna look up. I'm gonna read how I'm supposed to make this. These are both by the same brand of Bulletproof. This you can just put into your coffee, or if you like want more of like this oil, which is already in here, you could pour it in. But this is just highly refined coconut oil. If I can find the health benefits, I will put it right here. But it's just bulletproof brain octane oil, amplified energy and mental performance. So I do plan on going back to my dorm tonight and editing, because I didn't upload today, which is Monday, which is the hot cocoa. Once again, if I find the health benefits, I'll put it right here. But it's by the same brand, Bulletproof. It helps you with energy, and I really just wanted hot chocolate, but I didn't want junk food kind of hot chocolate. I wanted to be healthy and help with my health. So obviously I just wanted to reach for this rather than, which is super cute and from Trader Joe's. I recommend for like little kids who love hot chocolate, because it's like a little fudge on top and marshmallows. It's in a spoon, so it's super easy to make. I recommend that for like little kids, but like if you're a little bit more mature and you want to like care about your health, this is really good alternative. How to make bulletproof hot chocolate. Gently heat up 8 ounces of a full fat coconut milk until barely simmering. Pour into cup, add 2 tablespoons of bulletproof hot cocoa and stir well mixed. Alright, so I don't have coconut milk, but I have almond milk. You could simply just use water. So what I'm gonna do is pour this eggnog almond milk into my mug. This is kind of a lot. I didn't want all of this because it's very thick and lots of sugar, lots of calories, and I don't want that. So I'm gonna add some water into it. You can always add water into your milk and it still tastes like milk. Like that's what I used to do when I ran out of milk and I wanted cereal. It works fine. You just blend it up and you literally can't even tell. So I need to put this in the pot and then boil it. And also, either today or my next video, I'm going to be wrapping Christmas presents. I was working a little bit today and the sunlight went away, so I need to find some good lighting in here and then wrap some presents, because I really need to get on my game for wrapping presents and getting into like the Christmas steam. I'm gonna even put some Christmas socks on. So we're gonna get into that right after this. I have the perfect size pot. It's just like very tiny. So now I'm gonna just pour it in. I'm just gonna put the lid on so it boils up faster. We're gonna cook it. Perfect. So that I'm gonna just move to the side, and right now I kind of just want a little snack. So I have an apple. I'm gonna cut it up, wash it obviously, and then put some peanut butter on it because it's pretty good like that. If you can see the steam in the milk, it is all heated up, nice and frothy. And I just opened up the Bulletproof hot chocolate mix. So all I'm gonna do is take one big spoonful, like that, because that's probably, maybe like that, is 2 tablespoons. And then I just pour it in a little bit at a time, because then I will mix it. Use the lid so you don't spill and so your parents don't yell at you. Mix it in, and then you're gonna add the rest and mix it all in. Now we're gonna pour the rest. I'm actually gonna leave a little bit left over so that I can add it if there is not enough. I'm gonna taste it real quick. So far it looks pretty good. I don't know if I'm gonna need all that. So hot, but the eggnog, you can totally taste it. It's so good. It needs to be mixed because I just ate a chunk of chocolate. There's still more in there, so I'm just gonna pour that back. It's all mixed. It looks so pretty. I also ate my peanut butter apples while the milk was boiling. So good. But if you want to add more of what makes it healthy, I recommend adding this in. What you could do is just pour it in the cap. It comes out clear because coconut oil should be clear. You just pour it in the cap, use that to measure. I'm actually going to pour a little bit in. It just makes it look more oily, so we know how oil separates from vinegar when you have them mixed. Just looks like that. You don't need to shake this at all because it's just coconut oil, super refined. But then mix your drink that you put it into so that it gets like all the way to the bottom. Obviously, most of the majority of it is going to stay at the top. You can see these little bubbles. Recommend putting this in your coffee, matcha, hot chocolate. But if you don't already have this, which is pretty good by itself, I recommend buying this, and you can incorporate it into any of your drinks that you drink daily, and it will make your digestion be a little bit smoother. This has so much in it. How many ounces? 32 fluid ounces. It's really heavy and you don't need a lot, so this is going to last you a couple months. maybe up to a year. It's really good if you just put a little bit. You can use a cup as a measurement or a spoon, but really good. And this is good for like the little treats when you want hot chocolate. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.